Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in wonderful, beautiful Atlantic City. I just pulled into the Bally's Hotel and Casino parking garage. I got a room here. I usually get the dentist tower. I pleaded and begged with the reservation person when I was on the phone to not give me the dentist tower. Gonna be interesting to see what I get today. They said they put a note on my reservation, so we'll see what happens. Let's head inside and see what I get, shall we?
Bally's, like other hotels and casinos here in Atlantic City, have been very gracious in offering me comped rooms in the past, and I truly am appreciative. Once in a while I get a bad room, but like I always say, if it's clean, comfortable, and safe, I'm happy. Quite frankly, I couldn't do half my Atlantic City recordings if it wasn't for these comped rooms. That being said, I like to switch things up every once in a while for, well, my own sanity as well as for the channel's sake. So when I called the reservation agent to book my comp room, I politely asked them if I could have the Bally's tower, if that was at all possible, rather than the dentist tower, which is what I usually get. And they said they couldn't make any guarantees, but they will certainly note that on the reservation. Knowing this, I didn't go to the kiosk at the reception area. I went directly to the front desk and booked my room and didn't mention anything just to see what would happen. And well, we're about to find out. You know, I have to give Bally's credit. I come here often, and when you come here often, you really don't notice all the changes that have gone on. But when I think back to about 2 years ago, this place was an old, hot mess. And they've really turned things around. It's not perfect yet. It's still got a ways to go, but it really looks so much better.
So like I said, I requested the Bally's tower when I made my reservation instead of the dentist tower, which I always get. And the reservation agent over the phone said they couldn't guarantee anything, but they'd put a note on my account. I checked in at the regular registration. He said when I was making my reservation, don't use these kiosks here because they just issue rooms randomly apparently. The reservation agent, I didn't say anything about a request or anything, but apparently they saw it. I am in the Bally's tower, so as you can see. So I'm gonna head over to the elevators, take you guys along with me, and let's check out this room, shall we?
This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Two shoutouts today, one to Robert Camacho, who found Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, in my latest Las Vegas video, The Shops at Crystal's. Congratulations, Robert. Also a shout out to Aberrana Higgins, who gave me a super thanks on my latest video. I appreciate your support, Aberrana Higgins. Thank you so much for the super thanks. By the way, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just hit that thanks button under the video. I had mentioned they're doing a great job with the renovations downstairs, but they pretty much renovated every room in this Bally's tower at this point in the past 2 years as well. This is a newly renovated room. When I say newly, it's been done within the past 2 years, and I'm pretty sure they've finished this tower. I might be mistaken, but I'm pretty sure they're all done. Now, if they could only redo those dentist tower rooms. This, by the way, is a king non-smoking Bally's tower room. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. I've been to a lot of hotel rooms, and this is a first. It looks like it's folded into a basket of flowers. That alone is worth a tip. This view is also unusual. It's the old Claridge Hotel, the historic Claridge Hotel right outside my window. Must look beautiful at night as well. And off in the background you can see the Borgata, the new MGM Tower. The tower's not new, but the name is. Also Harrah's and Golden Nugget out there on the marina side of town. And along the boardwalk here, we have the Orange Loop, as well as Resorts, Hard Rock, and the Ocean Casino Resort. All of Atlantic City right outside my window.
So, I finally got a Bally's Tower renovated room, and all I had to do was ask. So that's what I did. When I made my reservation, I asked, and they made a note, and the reservation agent downstairs saw the note and gave me this room, and I really appreciate it. No more dentist tower, at least for this trip. Nothing's wrong with the dentist tower, it's just old, and if it's a comp room, I really don't care as long as it's clean, comfortable, and safe. This view, by the way, might be one of the best views I've ever had here in Atlantic City. I can't wait to see it tonight. That's the Claridge Dome behind me, and that lights up beautifully at night. And beyond that is the Hard Rock Resorts Ocean. Can't wait to see it tonight. Let me know what you think of this room. Do you like it? I do. I'm sure some of you guys will say it's dated and the TV's too small. I never watch TV, by the way, in a hotel room. But I turn it on just so you guys see the TV and how big it is. But I think it's a great room. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.